Would you spend over $1,000 on a motherboard? Well, that's what you're going to be in for with the new ASUS ROG CROSSHAIR X870E Extreme. And I kind of understand why. This board is packing some bleeding edge features. Let's jump into it. This board isn't just about specs. This board is a work of art. This board has got a sleek E80X form factor, armored heatsinks, metal backplate, and ASUS's signature ROG aesthetic. But what really steals the show around this board has to be its 5-inch full color LCD display, fully integrated into the motherboard. This 5-inch display will allow you to see temperatures, stats, and heck, you can even load a custom GIF to it if you really wanted to. Under the hood is complete madness. 24 power phases, and even for high-end motherboards, that is somewhat insane. Supports up to 8,200 mega transfers on the 9000 series and well over 9,000 on the previous gen 8000 series. It's also got AMD's Expo support, ASUS's enhanced memory profile, and NitroPath DRAM tech to squeeze every drop of performance out of that RAM. This board is ready for everything. It's packing 5 M.2 slots along with vapor chambers to cool down. There's also a slim SAS connector and also 4 SATA ports if you wanna, use some older tech. Expansion wise, we have got 2 Gen 5 X16 slots. Let's move to the back of this board. On the I/O, we have got 12 USB ports, including 2 USB 4 Type-C ports running native at 40 gigs, and video up to 4K 60 on these Type-Cs. We have got 2 Ethernet ports, one being a 10 gig port, the other being a 5 gig port. This with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, heck, this thing is somewhat future-proof if you have to put it in those terms. Looking at the front I/O capabilities of this board, supports 60 watt charging through USB-C and even has a built-in USB wattage watcher. This board is stacked with a bunch of overclocking tools. We have got LN2 mode, safe boot, a retry button, slow mode switch, and voltage measuring points. You also get thermal sensors, a QDIM2 for those NVMEs you want to add in. So is it worth it? For the average builder, nah, I wouldn't say it's worth it. But hardcore overclockers, yes. Elite PC builders, yes. And heck, anybody who's got the bucks who wants to build that showcase PC and somewhat future-proof it, yes. You have to remember, the ASUS ROG CROSSHAIR X870E Extreme isn't just a motherboard. Would you put this beast in your build? Let me know in the comments.